Hi, I'm Vanessa Roark, your trusted Coldwell banker agent. And just like many of you, I'm from the Midwest, but I moved to Arizona to enjoy the sunny days, medical freedom, school choice, and all of the amazing opportunities that we have here in Arizona. I'd love to talk with you more about why you should relocate to Arizona, but I wanted to give you a little bit of insight into me and who I am as an agent and what I can do for you. I am an Airbnb superhost and have been for years. I actually started off as an investor before I was an agent. So I'm able to help you understand all the complexities of real estate investing, whether you're looking to do a pad split, short-term rental, long-term rental. I'm here to run those numbers for you and help it make sense. When it comes to selling your home, presentation is everything. That's why I front the cost for repairs, updates, staging, everything we need done to get your home sold for top dollar in the shortest amount of time. With a background in marketing for major brands like NFL, Verizon, I understand the best in technology to make sure that we are matching your beautiful property with the correct buyer using targeted marketing and strategies that work. But my expertise does not stop at presentation. I'm also a negotiation expert, skilled at navigating the complexities of real estate negotiations. Thanks, Mom, and all the other attorneys in my family. When you choose me as your realtor, you're not just getting someone to help you buy or sell. You're getting a trusted partner who will go to bat for you and make sure you get the results that you deserve. So if you're ready to sell your home with confidence and achieve outstanding results, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm Vanessa, and I'm here for you.